Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how we can do the SAP installation check. We can give the T code SICK or we can also give SM28. Any of the T code we can give SICK or SM28 and we can do the SAP installation check or SAP initial consistency check. You can contact me for installing SAP IDES, EC6 and SAP S/4HANA on your PC or server or network or cloud, or set up your own SAP server on internet. It will contain the master data, lifetime validity TA9999, ABAP developer key and FIORI in it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.